The history of Spain is a rich tapestry woven through centuries marked by diverse cultures from the ancient Iberians and Celts to the powerful Moors and the Christian kingdoms that followed. In 1492, Christopher Columbus embarked on a journey that would change the course of history, leading to the discovery of the New World and marking Spain as a global empire. The Spanish Inquisition cast a long shadow over the country's history, instilling fear and leading to significant societal changes, while the Spanish Civil War in the 20th century marked another pivotal moment, dividing the nation and shaping its future. Today, Spain thrives as a vibrant nation celebrated for its art, architecture, and culinary traditions where cultural heritage coexists harmoniously with modern influences. With lively festivals like the running of the bulls and stunning coastlines that attract tourists from around the globe, Spain continues to enchant visitors with its unique blend of tradition and leisure. The echoes of Spain's conquests resonate through time as the legacy of its conquistadors shaped vast territories, while remnants of Roman influence still stand as a testament to the country's layered history.